Hey everybody, welcome to a new episode of Food and a Single Guy with me, your very own AMARU. Yes, I've been away for a couple of days. Yes, I am back. This flu thought that this flu could kick my ass. But baby, let me tell you, I have proven to be a worthy adversary. I kicked its ass right back. I feel so much better today, and I figured, you know what? Why not upload a couple of videos to the channel? Because I love you. And speaking of you, thanks to you, we are now at the 3,000 subscriber mark. I just wanted to acknowledge that because without you, there is no channel. You know, and while YouTube is not about the numbers for me, I really couldn't let this moment go by without mentioning it. So, from my heart to yours, thank you ever so. Now let's talk food, because on this episode of Food and a Single Guy, I am going to make some Brussels sprouts baked in the oven with some smoked bacon strips and some red onion and some garlic and some sea salt and some crushed black pepper and some olive oil. Okay everybody, so here we have our beautiful Brussels sprouts, but before we use them, we have to clean them. So how do you clean these Brussels sprouts, Mr. AMARU? Please pray tell. Well, get you a nice sharp knife, then remove the tip of the Brussels sprout, just like so. And that's it, nothing more, nothing less. So, in case you're not familiar with Brussels sprouts, these are related to the cabbage family. And as you can see, they look like teeny tiny little cabbages. That's what they look like. So, let me go ahead and finish cleaning. Well, not finish, but this is the last one that I saved just for camera. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so next what we're going to do, we are going to wash these babies. So we're now going to wash the Brussels sprouts under a running tap. And as you can see, I'm keeping mine in a colander because it's easier like that. Just give them a nice rinse, just like so. And then you set them to one side to drain. Okay everybody, welcome to my little workspace here in my kitchen. We are now going to transfer the sprouts to this dish, and then we are going to drizzle a nice amount of extra virgin olive oil on the sprouts, just like so. And fear not, you guys, fear not, all of you oil people out there. This is what the sprouts need to cook. Alright? Alright. So next I'm going to add some crushed black pepper. Just like so. And I like mine spicy, so I added a significant amount. I'm going to add a pinch of sea salt. Just like that. Next, what I'm going to add are 4 cloves of sliced garlic. And you can finely chop the garlic if you so desire. I love my garlic to be sliced. I absolutely worship the ground that garlic walks on. Okay. So let's add that to the dish. And next what we're going to add are the smoked bacon bits. I know some of you don't eat bacon or pork or whatnot. I do. Every now and again I have me some pork because I love it every now and again, okay? So I am not being insensitive to anybody that doesn't eat pork. I just like a little pork every now and again. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So let's add the pork to the dish. You want to give that a nice stir, you guys. You want to make sure that the sprouts are coated with the oil and the salt and the garlic and the smoked bacon, just like so. Okay you guys, so as you can see, my sprouts are ready for the oven, but before we do that, I want to give you a quick little tip. I went to the supermarket the other day and I purchased some fresh garlic. Now what I always do with fresh garlic, I peel it and then I freeze it. And trust me when I tell you, it will save you a lot of time on those busy weekdays when all you want to do is just go, go, go. Oh yeah. Now this tip works for me and I hope it will work for you too. So next what we're going to do, we are going to transfer these bad boys in our preheated oven and we're going to bake them for about 45 minutes. Okay guys, so after about 20 minutes of cooking, you remove the sprouts from the oven and then you're going to drizzle a nice dusting of Italian herbs like so. and the purple onion, or the red onion as some of you call it. Alright you guys, so we've just stirred the Italian herbs and the red onion into the Brussels sprouts, and it smells very delicious up in here. And please do not add the Italian herbs and the red onion at the beginning of the cooking process, because they will burn and they will add a very unpleasant bitter taste to your food, and that is not what you want. Alright, so we're going to transfer the dish back to the oven, and we're going to allow these sprouts to continue to cook for anywhere between 25 minutes to a half an hour. Alright? Alright. Okay, you guys, so this is what my sprouts look like when they come out of the oven. And they're bubbling away nicely. I'm going to plate these and give you the serving suggestion. Easy does it. We're not trying to make a mess. Alrighty then, now let's drizzle some of that bacon, just like that. And as I always tell you, color makes everything prettier. Now I'm not one to toot my own horn, but looking at that picture, I am in the mood for some Brussels sprouts yet again. Now if you decide to try my sprouts, let me know how they turn out, because you know, I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy eating, don't act crazy to the craziness, and I will see you when I see you. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.